Fresh soy milk unsweetened from FarmFresh. How to make soy cafe latte? Can we froth soy milk? Time to make coffee. Soy cafe latte process is similar to normal cafe latte. We are using a 240 ml cup, 30 ml espresso, 140 ml soy milk. A reminder, FarmFresh did not sponsor, donate, nor give us any soy to test. This is purchased on our own. The verdict: you can froth soy milk, there is no issue with that, and you can do latte art on it just like normal cow's milk. However, it does taste completely different from cow's milk.
Goodbye, and this is fine. Goodbye, and this is fine. Goodbye, and peace is fine.